What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about the trip that we have planned in April, which actually is the next weekend. As of recording this video, it's the 25th. It's Friday morning. So yeah, not a lot of time. It's been pretty crazy over the last month or so between working a lot, and I think we took our first trip just this past weekend. Um, Videos for that stuff will probably should already be up by the time this one comes out. Um, I'm in the process of working on a Fiesta Texas and a SeaWorld review video, so there's really cool. Um, but our trip for April is actually something a lot different than what we've done before. It's not going to San Antonio to parks 100% of the time. Anyone that's around the Dallas area knows that next weekend is WrestleMania weekend in the surrounding Dallas area. So that's what I'll be doing. But it's not going to be solely just doing that stuff. It's not something that I normally do. It's just something that I wanted to do, kind of like a bucket list type of thing. So that's kind of what we're doing. Friday, I'll be leaving here Friday and then driving to Dallas like that afternoon, going to Friday Night SmackDown, and then WrestleMania Saturday, Sunday, and Monday Night Raw on Monday. Um, WrestleMania Saturday and Sunday does not start until about 6:45. So 99% of the time, okay, this is just a guaranteed thing that we're going to be in the park. The park opens at 11ish, so I plan on being there between about 11 and about 3:30, 4 o'clock. About 3:30, 4 o'clock, I'll probably dip, um, and go down the street to the event and go ahead and get parked and stuff like that. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do Saturday and Sunday. We're gonna be going to Six Flags Over Texas that day. Um, I feel like it'll be a really fun trip. It's something the kid's not gonna be there because me and his mom talked and we're just like, oh, we just really don't feel like it's something that he would really enjoy. It's not really something he would quite understand. So that's why we didn't bring him around this time. I feel like it'd be something for him when he get a little bit older. Um, but until that time comes around, we'll just stick to going to parks with him. Um, that's pretty much it for next weekend. Uh, WrestleMania weekend. I'm not exactly sure about if I'm going to do videos because it's kind of difficult to do videos on a live event like that unless you're just like getting clips from stuff that happens, and that's pretty much all that we can do. Because you can't just make a vlog of with just too many thousands of people around you, so it's probably not. So we're probably going to end up doing videos while we're at Six Flags, and then include a couple of clips after the fact. That's probably the only thing that we can do. We're not really sure if the park's going to be open on Monday, but if it is, I'll more than likely be there. I'll definitely be there because, like I said, there's nothing going on until it's not open on Monday. They're closed Monday, and they open 11 to 9 on Saturday and Sunday. So we'll definitely be on the park on those days. I have to tell you, and I'm really not going to cover that in this video. When I do my review video for all three parks, I'll include about everything that happened over spring break. It was a great trip. It was a great success and everything like that. So that's our trip for April. WrestleMania weekend, Six Flags Over Texas. Some good steak because I'm definitely in need of some good freaking steak, man. I'm telling you, I'm freaking starving for me some steak. So definitely going to do that. Meet up with some good peeps. If you guys going to be in the area, let me know. Maybe we can stop by for dinner with each other. All right, man. We will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.